back to my channel. Today I filmed this dramatic Valentine's Day look and I love the way it turned out, and I think it's different from what I have done on my channel so far, so I hope you guys really like it and enjoy it. Just a disclaimer, if you don't like my videos and you don't like me, then please don't watch my channel. That's all I have to say. So other than that, let's get into it. I'm using the Natural Beauties palette from Too Faced, and I'm just going to be using it, and we're going to be creating our dramatic Valentine's look with this palette. So I'm just going to be using the shade Angelic to set my concealer. It's very pigmented, so oh yes. Oh yes. Just going to use that, setting it. All right. Now going in with a big fluffy brush from Morphe, and I'm just going to be going in the shade Oh Dear as our transition shade. So I'm just going to start buffing that into the crease. The shades are really pigmented and they're very easy to blend out, so super duper easy. Now I'm going to be going in with the shade Beethoven, which is going to be like this dark brown, but when you put it on the eye it almost looks black. So I'm just going to be using that, and I'm just using this really dense and small crease brush from Avon. So we're going to be popping that in the outer V, and slowly we're going to bring it up to the crease and blend it in with Oh Dear. Yeah, that's the color name. See, it just gives it, like, it's just so pretty. I actually wore this look to school and a lot of people complimented me on it, so I was like, I might as well do a tutorial on it because it's so easy. And I feel like anyone could do this no matter how good you are at makeup. So basically we're just going to keep building and then blending and then building and blending. Because you don't want to put too much and then not be able to blend it out, which would be really, really bad. So we're just building, blending. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with Pretty Pecan, and I'm just going to be using that on the lid, and this is what that shade looks like. It's so pretty. Here, let me swatch it for you. This is what it looks like on the wrist. You can't really like see the shine. There you go, you kind of see the shine. Alright. So I'm just going to be using it on my finger and just applying it straight to the lid. Like, it's just so pretty. Oh. It's almost kind of like a burgundy, brown, shimmery. I love it. I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. smudger brush, and I'm gonna be going in with the shade 5 Golden Rings, and I'm gonna be using this as my inner corner highlight. Ooh, that's pretty. Now I'm gonna be going in with the Smashbox X-Rated mascara, and I'm just gonna be popping this on the top lashes. All right, next we're gonna start on our base. So I'm gonna be using this Pure Correcting Primer, Illuminating and Glow. Cause you know, we wanna be glowy. All right, let's see. Should I just, I've never used this, so. I don't know how much this to apply. All right, let's see. Okay, we're just gonna rub it in, rubbing it in. Now that is down, I'm gonna be going in with my Matte and Poreless foundation in 105, Fair Ivory. And I'm just gonna be going in with my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. Before we set our foundation down, I'm going to be using the Color City Contour Stick Tarte Majuja Oil. And I'm just going to be like placing it on top. And you can do this with any stick foundations or any contour sticks or highlighting sticks because sometimes they do get dried out. While we're doing that, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my concealer and I'm gonna put it in the places where I need to highlight. So right there. It because you know we going all out. I'm just gonna be going in with this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and I'm just gonna be placing this on my cheeks, just a little bit. I'm gonna be taking my Morphe spray. Whew, all right, I'm gonna start out with the I'm gonna start out with the concealer and the concealer and the lipstick, just because the lipstick is a matte, so I don't want it to like stick and then not be able to move it. So I'm gonna be going in with my CoverGirl's True Blend powder and a big fluffy brush, and we're just gonna set everywhere. Alright, so I'm just gonna be taking my Wet n Wild angle brush and going back in with the Natural Beauties palette. There is a bronzer shade in here, so why not just go all out? So we're just gonna bronze up the skin. Next thing, I'm going to be going in with this Pixie by Petra, and this is a dual and it's in Peach Honey, so I'm just going to be using this to highlight with. So I'm going to be going in with the Shims Glam highlighting brush that I got in one of my Ipsy bags, and I'm just going to be using both shades because why not? It's so beautiful. Okay. Now going back in with that same mascara, we're gonna be doing our lower lashes. So let's just do that. So since the eyes are so bold, I want to keep the lips a little neutral. So I found this really good liquid lipstick, and it's from LA Colors, which is like, you find it in Family Dollar, Dollar General, stuff like that. And this is in, it doesn't have a shade on it. Oh, this is in the shade Sultry, and it's so beautiful. Like, this is what it looks like. And it's like this perfect mauve color, and I just love it. I just love it so much. So we're gonna be applying that, and it smells so good. Alright guys, that is the end of today's videos. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really like the way it turned out, and yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn the notifications on so you can get updated when I upload videos. And I hope you guys enjoyed this, and remember, you are beautiful, and I hope you have a good day. Bye. Oh, I got it in my hair.